Here at Cype, recent innovations with BIM technology have paved a new road for collaboration between specialised tools. With each version we release, we manage to improve ourselves and our software. Today, we present something you have all certainly been waiting for. This is Cype 2020. Showcasing 15 new software applications that will benefit the lifecycle of any BIM project. Firstly, two new specialised softwares that expand the horizon of structural calculations. StraBeam Design Shear Walls for the development of shear walls, and StraBeam Rebar to generate the steel reinforcement of concrete structures. Both programs include direct connections with previous software. In addition to these, 5 new programs that will enhance the development of architectural models. OpenBIM Office Furniture offers a large office furniture library and is capable of interacting with other OpenBIM applications. OpenBIM Stairs and Ramps, specially developed for BIM models of ramps and stairs. From now on, all IFCs generated by other applications can be combined in OpenBIM Layout, from which you can effectively extract section and elevation drawings that feature in-depth details. Likewise, with the features inherent to OpenBIM Model Checker, project incidents can be identified and the entire team kept informed in real time. In addition, more collaboration opportunities are at your disposal with the new BIMEO to BIM server connection. 5 brands that operate on the OpenBIM workflow now also have their own applications, fully integrated and in conjunction with other high-performance softwares. OpenBIM Giacomini and OpenBIM Sonia Deval are specially designed to execute the modelling and calculation of underfloor heating installations. OpenBIM Medea and OpenBIM Valiant are incorporated into our wide range of HVAC system design and calculation software. OpenBIM Mover brings new materials and formats for air ducts through its exclusive connection with the new OpenBIM Systems database. Furthermore, 2 new tools expand the possibilities of carrying out telecommunications projects. Cypetel Schematics and Cypetel Systems have been jointly developed and combined to offer the latest in telecommunications network design through BIM. And for the field of building fire protection, Cype Fire Pressure Systems is designed to verify the conditions that overpressure installations on stairs must meet. This version features a new interface, an optimized 3D viewer, and new softwares that allow the project to be developed directly in 3 dimensions. New calculation procedures export your results to animations, which can be viewed in different programs, in the BIM Service Center online viewer and in the augmented reality application, BIM Service Center AR. New materials, catalogs, standards and calculation assistants that will facilitate the development of projects and in turn multiply your productivity. More than 70 improvements, features and extensions that will make your projects resonate with quality.